No matter how hard you try, certain spots in your home is always messy. Today I am sharing 10 very useful ideas which will surely help you to have an organized home. Hi everyone and welcome back. Our microwave always gets dirty whenever we reheat food or boil potatoes. Try this microwave bowl cover which will save your microwave by getting dirty again and again and minimize your cleaning load. Most of the lids are not advised to use in microwave, so this microwave bowl cover will help you a lot to save that extra time which we spend in cleaning our microwave daily. Small items like pins, rubber band, cotton buds, candle, cooker whistles, etc. if not kept properly will create lots of clutter and you may not find them when you need them. Keep them all in small baskets and then arrange them all in one big basket. This way they will remain at one place well organized and you can just pull the basket and take them whenever needed. These are my old spice containers which I am using now to store all these small items. This idea of keeping things organized really works. You must try this idea and keep your home mess free. We all have a habit of keeping extra of everything like extra soap, extra shampoos, toothpaste, brushes, etc. All these extra bathroom items creates mess if we don't keep them properly. I am using small baskets separately to store them in one of my bathroom cabinet. We use different sizes, types and shapes of spoons and spatulas. Keeping them all together will definitely create mess. According to their sizes, types and uses, separate them from each other and keep them all together in different containers or basket. This way they will remain segregated and organized always. I am using separate baskets for all types of cutleries and keeping them separately in one of my kitchen trolley. For this festive season, try MiraLink for all your festival shopping. MiraLink will provide you free delivery, free cash on delivery and easy returns and replacement just like any other online website. Many Diwali offers and discounts are going on. Do check out the website and avail all those offers. All links are given in the video's description if you wish to buy. You can also shop through WhatsApp link given below. Dining table is the place which is visible all the time and if not kept organized it may give cluttered look to the whole room. Here I kept 3 different organizers on my dining table which is taking too much space. Instead use one big organizer which can accommodate everything together like this basket. I can keep salt, pepper, water bottles, everything in one organizer and it's very easy for me now to clean this space and it's not looking messy also. Some cutleries we should always keep handy, which we can use while cooking or working in kitchen. Spoons, lighters, knives are always needed when we are working in kitchen. So for them I am using these cute looking ceramic pots. It will also give nice look to your kitchen countertop. We never have just one bag, isn't it true? I know you all must be having several handbags, and there are many bag organizers also available in market. But if you don't want to spend too much and if you don't want to spend on any costly organizer, you may organize all your handbags with this S hooks in your wardrobe. It will save most of your space in the wardrobe and it will look clutter free and cost friendly too. Winter is approaching and nights are little colder now. It is very difficult to organize all comforters and blankets daily, and if your house is small, then it becomes more difficult. Use this type of fabric bag to keep them organized and it will keep them free from dust, and also your bed will not look messy at all. Medicines are very important and we all store basic medicines for any emergency. Instead of using any other box, use this medicine organizer in which all your medicine will remain safe and organized. Just keeping medicine in a box, it's not called organization. Being organized means you can find whenever you need, and most importantly, it can be found by any other member of your family. So this medicine box will definitely help you keep all your medicines mess free and safe at one place. Kitchen towels and dusters are most used items in our kitchen, so we must keep them organized, otherwise they will create lot of visual clutter. We can hang them properly which are in use, but remaining towels should be kept separately and nicely organized. I am using these two bamboo baskets to store all my kitchen towels. You may also use this type of big plastic containers which are sturdy and it can accommodate many towels together. I hope you found all these ideas helpful. Consider subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit the like button.